Ever wondered how those oddly satisfying ASMR videos rack up views and money? What if I told you that you could start making your own ASMR videos today for free just using AI and zero editing experience? You can create amazing ASMR images for your videos in seconds with ChatGPT. Just tell it what you want and it'll give you stunning visuals you're free to use. Then bring those images to life. We are using Google Veo 3 for it. It lets you quickly turn them into smooth videos, complete with realistic ASMR sounds like tapping, crunching, or pouring, all with a few simple clicks. If you're a student, you can grab Google Veo 3 for free using your student email or student ID. If not, you still get a whole month free with the Google AI subscription, so anyone can start right now without paying a thing. Stay with me because I'm about to break down every step. How to use ChatGPT to make gorgeous images, how to create your video and sound with Google Veo 3, all without spending a cent. So let's start with ChatGPT. Using ChatGPT, we are creating images and prompts for our ASMR video. First, go to ChatGPT and go to GPT section and search for this particular GPT, make ASMR and images prompts. This is what this GPT called. And let's start the chat. Using this GPT, you can make ultra realistic ASMR style videos. So you can create it easily with this GPT. Also, this GPT handle everything from prompting to creating image. All you have to do is just describe simply. For example, I type make the image of yellow jelly square on a table. This is what I typed and it instantly generate a advanced prompt for the image. So this is perfect and ready to go. And if you want any changes, you can simply describe it in chat and this AI will instantly make the change on prompt. So I'm just typing something like add realistic lighting. This would be perfect for this and I just simply send it and let's see. So now the school GPT made the modified version of the prompt. I'm just sending yes for it. And this GPT will ask for the aspect ratio, like which aspect ratio you want, like for TikTok or YouTube. I'm choosing YouTube for now and it will instantly start generating the image. And within few seconds, it will generate the image. Now you can see the best result here. It is really realistic and also very highly detailed image. You can see the lighting there. It is similar to a image generated with Midjourney. Now let's make a new chat and add the same image we generated. I just uploaded it and I typed something like write in the Google Veo 3 prompt, like, or you can add advanced Google Veo 3 prompt. So you will get a advanced prompt to get more advanced result. So I typed this and something like create a satisfying ASMR video because we want ASMR video, so we have to mention it clearly. Also, I clearly mentioned about the object which is jelly on our case, and it is start making a advanced Google Veo 3 prompt. All we have to do is just copy it and let's start with Google Veo 3. For now, I am accessing Google Veo 3 through Flow, which is Google's official site. You can access from Gemini as well. Also, there is a couple of other options you can access Google Veo 3 with. For example, Canva. If you are a pro subscriber of Canva, you can generate like 3 video a month, which is less for making ASMR videos, but still you can utilize your pro subscription like that way. Now I create a new flow and I'm just simply clicking on new project and now we have to add the image. For this you have to choose frame to video in flow. This is where it make able to upload the image we generated with ChatGPT. After that you can simply drag and drop the image we generated using ChatGPT. Now you can do a quick adjustment for your image here, like simply crop it if you want. That's completely optional. If you want to crop it you can do it from here. And next if you are done with it, just simply click on crop and save. Once the image is uploaded, now just simply paste the prompt that we created with ChatGPT and choose Google Veo 3 quality. This is the best for this. It will charge like 100 credits, but this is better than Veo 3 fast. Also, you can choose how many outputs you need. I'm choosing one for now because I have just 1,000 credit. I don't purchased anything extra yet. So I'm choosing one output and the model is Veo3 Fast for now. But in your case, you have to upload the video so the quality is better for you. If you are making videos for just fun, the fast is better. Now everything is perfect as of now. Now we can just simply send it and let's see how Google Veo3 works in this time. After a while, we got a amazing result. I already played, but I will show you too. Just see it. I'm really surprised with this result. The sound is really accurate, but there's a mild error here, like showing the video two times at the beginning, but that's not a big deal. I think this is perfect result. Expect that mild error. But as I said, that's not a big deal. We can easily trim it on the time we edit. And that's it. You've created your first ASMR video with AI for completely free and you're ready to share it and start earning real money. If you found this easy or inspiring, stick around. I've got so much more to show you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for simple step-by-step AI tutorials you won't want to miss. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps me make more great content for you. Drop your feedbacks in comment and remember, the only thing standing between you and your next viral video is getting started. So, why you're waiting for? Thanks for watching. Keep creating and let's turn your ideas into income together. See you in the next video.